back to another afgfamily video. We hope everyone's doing well. Today's challenge is
So guys, the resources for this game is whipped cream and this clock. So the whipped cream will be on the hand and we'll be taking turns spinning the clock. Whatever number it lands on, we'll be taking turns spinning this thingy-majiggy. And if we're lucky enough, we won't get splattered with whipped cream. But if we're lucky enough, we won't get splattered with whipped cream. But if we're not lucky, then I guess tough luck.
Grano Malgaro. Like none chitas go daga last day, Filistiki last day, the Filiski last time daga crema cho, mug daga sa chitas gore, daga spin code, char number bandi darala, agana par badata sargdi, khpala zanagdi, au cream chivi, aga number badata wigi, chartu number vi, ka chair today, kismatiu, khush kismato, mukida shabu number ki last per akhlas nashi, ka bad kismato on last per akhlasigi, au cream by poma khota wakharkigi. Dostoy Aziz. हामी 10 प्लास्टिकी रखे में बिनेन इन क्रीम ऐसा इन क्रीम सारे हामी 10 प्लास्टिकी में इंदोज़ेम बॉस इरस इन निडल के भी बिने इरस पिन में तेम दा आर कुदुम नंबर के खोर बॉस हमु नफर अमीन जा चेन खुद जन चेन खुद में मना बॉस हमी हमु आर नंबर की बुद उरा इन जा स्पिन में को ना तो में था अगर दामु नंबर खुशकिस्मत बुद इरी लो 10 शिलो ना शुद खुशकिस्मत अगर बद किस्मत शुद बॉस हमीन जा क्रीम वही लो में शा सारे रुई खुद हमु नफर So, Katim, both shawali ma iras kujo shuru kanem, baby name case. Who gonna spin first? Amir. Okay, Amir. Spin these numbers. Just spin the needle like this, okay? Oh, he's
4.
I think he didn't even spin it. Spin it to me. Okay, 4 again.
4 again.
So Amir got twice 4. So now, guys, we will see. I'm gonna show it to you.
Whipped cream.
You need to shake it first.
Okay. Okay, no. Amir, shall I put for you more or little?
Little. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Okay,
Whoa.
that's it. So now, Amir, go further. Yeah. Put your chin there.
Spin 4.
Spin 4 times.
1,
2, 3, 4. That's it. Get it. No, dry, get it dry. Matu guru matu. But we told you 4. We told you 4 times, right? Okay, yeah, that's it. No problem. دوستای عزیز مرګلو لکه تاسو چې وکتل د څلور نمبر او خود شپږ واره تاسو موږ ته وګونه نیو چې هغه ریزلټ ورته ملاو شو. Okay, now we're gonna start with Sajad. Sajad, you're gonna spin the number.
Okay.
Sajad وګوره سجاد اوس خپل نمبر ته وی او again 4.
4 again?
So we're gonna put it for Sajad. Sajad, you have
a
to.
lot like a meal.
That's fine.
4 is a pretty high number.
Okay. No, now Sajad has to do it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Sajad is lucky. Now it's Muhammad. Okay, guys? Muhammad will spin the number now.
Yes.
Well done. Muhammad has 2. So Muhammad gonna do this one now.
Okay.
Muhammad bu dwa wari da tawami dwa wari number dwa yo ta diyaw. Dwa. Oh!
Yes!
Daddy!
Here you go.
Guys, who's mata cross
Oh,
I think my dad's gonna get it this round.
Ha. This way, yes, Sajad?
Yeah.
1. I'm dar mein pazda ke rahe khalo ko. 2, 3. So Amir der bad kismat ka sahne da ugara chi sheshiyar. Sajad Muhammad rakhlas. Amir to ugara. Dry. Where is the lack of the sapaka? Okay, guys.
My dad's on luck on this last one as well.
My turn.
Not as finished now.
No.
Okay, okay, yalla. Amir gonna do one more. Amir, you have to spin this first. Guys, wait. Don't worry, get up, Amir. Oh,
Here.
oh, that's too much, dear Shura. Yeah. Okay, guys, Amir gonna spin. Amir, bring it here and spin it here. Yalla. No spin more. Okay, pinza shu. Amir, pinza number what? Let me put cream. Sajad, cream watch over you. Amir, pinza number what? Number 5 jagere. Amir, all a baby. But dostoy ke Amir. Amir, go on. Put more chin more.
I mean, I'm sorry, my friend.
No help.
No.
What? All number box is smart as shit. Amir is unlucky. I don't know what happened. Look at the camera, look at the camera, look at the camera. Say hello. हाँ दोस्तों लगता है सुचित संग वक़्तल जो अमीर नन बदकिस्मत हो क्रीम देबू कम बखरागल और सजाद मोहम्मद रूस पूरे खुशकिस्मत दी
Like me and Sajad try until we get it.
Yes, inshallah.
Okay.
उस सजाद मोहम्मद out the game ना सजाद मोहम्मद बतरे को पूरी कवी चीज़ तो दो टारगेट शी नो उस पर मोहम्मद ताश तो गुरे अब स्पिन की वापस बामगा करवाई रवाने भी बिबिन दोस्तों याजिस की चीज़ में शा मोहम्मद ताले तो में था Now Muhammad say 3.
3.
Yeah. So all in Muhammad, let me move this one. खूब ज़्यादा बरशमें दो ज़ेम के. Okay. So now Muhammad will turn it. Muhammad will turn 3 times.
Okay.
He got 3. Put your head more further, more. Okay, go on. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Muhammad is very lucky. Sajad, you have to turn now.
Yes.
Go on, Sajad.
Yes.
Give me a 2.
Sajad will turn now as Muhammad is still lucky. Muhammad, Sajad got 3. So Muhammad, Sajad, you have to put head really further. More further. Put head down on it. Head like this, yeah. More, a bit more. Okay, got 1, 2. Oh, hey! Guys, Amir is the luckiest. Now Sajad, Muhammad is the luckiest person. Look at him. Look at him.
I'm a pirate.
Sajad the pirate with an eye patch on his
Shiver me timbers.
Laugh at him? How you can laugh? No, it's Amir's turn. Sajad, Muhammad's turn. Okay, last chance is for Muhammad again. Muhammad, you spin it again.
Not again.
No, we've already done 3.
again, yeah.
Okay, guys.
No, I
So,
always get 3.
Yalla, Muhammad, put your hands further. 1.
Wait, no.
Okay, that was not counting. 1, 2, 3. He's still lucky. I think it will be end. Let me try it with Amir. If he come on Amir, then that means the game is over. Muhammad will stay as lucky.
No.
Wait, but you didn't spin Amir. You have to spin this one first. Turn this. 4, 5.
Oh, he might get
5. So, yalla. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my
One more. But I told you. Guys, we will end the game here. The challenge was, oh sorry Habibi, I'll clean it for you. Okay, I will clean it for you. That's it, that's nice. He looks very nice, Mashallah. He looks very nice. Say hello friends.
Hello, friends.
He said, do you like me?
You like me?
Said, tell me next time how do I look, okay? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Guys, this was a pie face game challenge.
I think I'm the luckiest.
He is really lucky person and he's the happiest person in the family as well. So guys, the game is over. Muhammad will stay as lucky and clean. Yeah. Muhammad, I mean, it is not lucky at all because he got 2-3 times. I mean, so guys, he's very lucky. That's why he got cream on his face. You want cream here? Okay. That's enough?
No.
That's enough? What do you want to do with it? Look at this guy, guys. That's very funny. What did you do?
What are you doing?
Guys, we're gonna finish the game here. Look what he did. Look. What he did.
Do you think we're gonna leave you?
Look at him. guys, Sajan, Margal Sajan Nuru Katanak and Kabaragura Amir Muhammad Bandichi.
Did you actually think we're going to leave?
Muhammad was lucky person, like you, Sajan, Tadasian. Yalla give the dryer. Guys, it was very funny. We enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. We're gonna. That's it. I will give you next one. Okay?
I was so clean. Now I'm a disaster.
That was a bit funny, Sajan. Well done, Sajan. Well done. I made spot. Oh no! Look what is he doing. Yeah, spot. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna finish the challenge here. I hope you will enjoy, inshallah.
We love you.
We love you.
Bye.